That bitch is clean. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And this looks somewhat familiar to you. We got Randy here from Auto Auction Rebuilds, and Randy was like, "You're a dealer, I'm a dealer,
and you had to have the police car."
And I had to have this. I had to buy this shit. I feel like I could roll with this shit down Las Vegas Boulevard, and people will just like it's just a work of art.
I think like $2,500 is fair.
Yeah. I think that'll go well.
You can wash it. I'll let you use the water hose. And I got a bucket. You can clean it up.
Yeah. I think that would actually do good.
All right. Well, let's do it then.
All right. All right, we're just fucking with you. I ended up buying this beautiful BMW X5, and Randy was like, "I'm gonna send this to the auction," and I was like, "Nah, let me just buy it through my dealership." And I needed something to tow with and pull with, and I figured, why not? You know?
That's what I was gonna do with it.
Yeah.
I wanted to delete it though.
You said you wanted to delete it?
I wanted to delete it.
But as a dealer, he can't. And he's also very eco-friendly and was like, he didn't want to piss off anybody at the EPA.
Yeah, right.
Those guys.
It's a good vehicle. I used it for a while.
I personally
got some work to do to it.
I do. I got some struts that have to go into it, or strut mounts. But luckily, those aren't expensive on the E70. Knock those out. And Randy already did the hard work. He already got to do that beautiful German engineering EZR bullshit.
It was fun. It was fun. Well, I did the S550 too.
Oh.
You know, that was fun. And then
Did it have the same problem? Like it had an emissions issue?
No, it had
I know you did something
oil
to it.
leaking through the wiring harness into the computer and destroying everything. Yeah, it's not supposed to be a problem on the W222. Mercedes says that it's not a problem.
Shit.
Now there was a lawsuit filed on the W221s.
Yeah.
And they had to fix all of that. Even if it meant pulling the engine, replacing everything, they had to do that.
Wow.
But on the W222s, they said they fixed it, but they didn't. So now we're going to go through the same process of seeing people suing them over the new one. It's just
happens every time, and it's a common issue for them.
That's why I don't like European cars.
Yep.
Man. I mean, you couldn't tell from my yard, but I don't like European cars.
A lot of people don't know that these are actually manufactured, built, and put together in South Carolina.
What?
Let's look at the
BMW?
Yes. They have a factory in South Carolina, and you can tell it's got the 5 right there on the oh, it does have touch sensors.
Yeah.
Let's see where the manufacturing sticker is. It should say. But yeah, X5s, all of the SUVs are manufactured in South Carolina. The diesel engines come in from Germany, but they assemble them here.
Everybody told me this is like the best diesel engine that was ever made by BMW.
Yep.
The
3
generation
liter
after this is
sucks.
Horrible.
It's trash.
But this one, everybody was like, you got a diamond in the rough.
Because I believe the other one, I think they call the other ones a 4.0D. I believe it's not the 3.5 or the 3.5D, which is just a 3 liter diesel. But yeah, man, this thing is pretty. I'm excited about it. Randy gave me a really, really good deal on it. And yeah, so anyways, this thing will be coming back to Las Vegas. You guys will get to see that. And I'm sure, I know you guys say I never work on cars, but eat a dick. I don't care. It's going to go to a shop. It's a $285 job. I'm just going to have them put the strut mounts in. And then if there's anything else, I'll probably do the X5M kit. I'll pull all of the flat plastic shit off of it and put the shiny, wider fender wells out on it. And then I'm going to drive the shit out of it. And that'll be it. It'll be, we'll put a hitch on it so we can tow. And I think it's great. So, ooh, I like that. You said X6 rims? The X6M rims. I like that.
I think that would look slick. And then you're taking it back to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
So you can get rear-ended.
Well, see,
that tow hitch and then put the hitch on it.
I want to put that big fucking, I'm going to bust your
Yes.
fucking face
Yes.
open hitch. Yes.
That way, when people
Hit it,
you,
they're gonna hit that.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to get I wanted to get a hitch that had like spikes that came out the rear. So yes. It's probably illegal
Is
as
that
fuck.
legal?
I don't know, probably not. But I wanted to do that because I got hit so many times in the BMW where I literally have 3 lawsuits pending settlement. Like, I'm fucking over it. So with this, I'll be good. I'll put a big fucking, either I'll do that or I'll put the hitch on it and then have like a big metal bar that goes in off the back. Hit that if you want to. But maybe I'll do something dumb. Maybe we'll put like a 6-inch lift on this motherfucker and 35 super swampers.
I want to know the fuel economy when you head back.
I bet you it's ridiculous. On the highway, it's got to be like, I'm thinking high 20s.
That's what I've heard.
Like,
but I don't know. I spend a lot of time idling.
Yeah.
And I do a lot of between city and then highway driving, so I never have a long.
I'm gonna reset it and just go, because I'll set the cruise usually at like, I only do the speed limit, but I set the cruise at 80, a certain speed. Yeah.
89.
Yeah. And then just go. And usually, I mean, when we drove the BMW, when I met her in New Orleans, from New Orleans to Houston, I was getting like 32 miles to the gallon in that inline 6. That's the thing that was, I hated to give up, but in the city it sucked. I was getting like
this
15.
This might have a full tank of diesel.
It's got a half tank.
A half a tank.
But it's still, I'm going to top it off.
So I drove it after I filled it
up. Yep.
I don't remember.
Well, major shout out to Randy over at AutoWatch Rebuilds. If you haven't, you're an idiot if you haven't seen his channel already, because if you're watching my channel, I guarantee you've seen his channel. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. But if you haven't, I'm going to put a link in the description. Make sure you go subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to be driving this thing to Vegas, and you know, I don't think it will have any problems, but it should make for some interesting content. And who knows, maybe I'll pick up a stray dog or something along the way, and who knows, all kinds of interesting things could happen. But yeah, with that said, major shout out to Randy. Thank you for the awesome deal. And I might be coming back to get something else that you see in that row back there here in the near future, so stay tuned.
A Q5.
Fuck the Q5.
Perfect.